Thank you for another for watching this video. Today I'm going to be doing dissection of the fetal pig. Here I have some yarn and I'm going to be tying the upper limbs of the pig so I can do the Y shape dissection. I'm going to tie it nice and tight to the wrist area. Nice and tight on the tray here, so you'll be able to okay, nice and tight. Make a knot on the upper. Now you have your pig good. And turn the tray. We're going to do the same thing for the limbs here. Tie the limbs here. Okay, nice and tight here. You're gonna go put the yarn around, open the legs up. Just cut the yarn here and open up the other side of the legs. All right, nice and tight and secure there. Double knot it. All right. All right, so now I'm going to do the dissection. We take the scalpel. Just be careful with the scalpel, it's really sharp. Have a scalpel. This fetal pig already came with an opening on the carotid area. And I'm going to slice this side as well. Y shape. Make sure you don't cut too deep. Should be able to cut through. Alright, don't worry about this blue stuff. This is the latex they use for preservative. Touch the area here, you'll be able to feel the sternum right here, the rib cage, and we're going to cut right in the middle. Slowly, you don't want to end up ripping some of the organs here. You're going to use your hands, you're going to hear that crunch, and that crunch is the rib cage. Alright, so the first thing we see here is the heart. We have the liver right here. So as you open this up slightly, you don't have to put too much. The scalpel is sharp enough to actually cut the epidermal layer here. And inside, as you open it up, you'll hear a crunch from the rib cage here, and you'll have the heart exposed, and you have the lungs here, left and right side. You can also see here, right in this area, this soft tissue here, the diaphragm, which divides the thoracic cavity to the abdominal cavity. This big organ here is the liver. This one right here, liver. See, exposing here 2 lobes. It's supposed to be at least 3 lobes. And then this bag here is the stomach. And then here, attached underneath the stomach, which I'm taking some of this out. This that I'm holding here, I'm pointing this right here, is the spleen. And you have your small intestine here, your large intestine here. Large intestine right here also, right here. What I am going to do is I'm going to cut with the scissor, kind of open up the abdominal cavity a bit so we can see what else we can view, if we can see any kidneys in the back of the pig. Don't worry about the liquid here, you can actually drain this out. It's part of the preservative. I'm touching back here, I don't feel any kidneys or anything like that. Let's see. Nope, I don't feel anything here. Well, maybe I do now. Oh, I think this is, yeah, right here. Let me use the scalpel a little bit. Kind of open up that connecting tissue there. See that? It's one kidney right here. Right here, see that? Back here, right behind the small and large intestine. This one, this side. And also, I ended up cracking open the mouth. Use the scalpel, lightly cut through on both sides, and then cracking it open. Expose the hard palate, the tongue, the soft palate, and as you can see, you can lift the tongue a little bit and you can see the teeth here, very sharp teeth here. 2 pairs up here, 2 pairs of teeth up here on the rooftop. Nasal cavity. See if you can see. Try to open up a little bit here Try to expose a little bit of the esophagus. Let's open this up just a little more here. There we are. Use a probe, stick it down the throat, and see to where it reaches. You can actually know where the esophagus is at. Oh, right here. Oh, sliced it open. Right here, the probe is right here. That means the esophagus is right back here behind all these tissues. Potentially could be the thymus here, esophagus, epiglottis up here. See? See that moving probe? Yeah, the esophagus is right back here. Push it down. Esophagus, which I cracked open, unfortunately, here. Okay, so that area that I did say I cracked open, that was actually the epiglottis right here. It's the mouth. Right there, sliced open the epiglottis. Felt the ridges, the soft bones there. A closer view of what it looks right here. The bones, the soft little bones here from the rib cage area. Here's a closer view of the heart. And the lungs, the heart, the lungs on both sides. The diaphragm, the liver, pancreas, the stomach, the spleen right here, spleen, small intestine, large intestine right back behind here, kidneys, going down to the rectal area, vagina, tail, and the anal area. I'm not sure if I'm going to crack the skull open, but I don't think it's necessary. Poor epiglottis, sliced it open. Oh my God. And this could potentially be right here, the thymus right here. See the arteries also red, blue. I mean, it could be the latex, but you can see how thin the arteries are. The heart. Well, thank you for watching. Please follow my channel for more educational videos. Please subscribe and give it a like if you do like for me to do more educational videos. Thank you for watching again, and take care. Bye bye.